Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, take a section of hair from the top and divide it into 2 equal sections. Take a small strand from the left section and place it above your thumb. Next, take a section of hair from the left and go under the strand that you're holding, then over the left section and add it to the right section. Next, take a small strand from the right section and place it above your thumb. Take a section of hair from the right and go under the strand that you're holding, over the right section and add it to the left section. Now start again by taking a small strand from the left section and place it above your thumb. Next, take the section that we let down from the first step and add a section of hair from the left, then go under the strand that you're holding, over the left section and add it to the right section. Do the same to the opposite side. Keep repeating these steps all the way down. Pull the ends of the braid as you go. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!